Yeah, man, this a code, man. Yo, Queenie, I say right now. Do we not have a chance again for do we run left a relationship and go Canada? You see it? Should do we run go somewhere where she couldn't go so? That's why I say do we not really want her, you see me so? She not take up back the problem and the trouble and all the disgrace back and go there back with Dewey so she a say I hit that, you see me? But do we want forward back home for them do we see the house and them thing they say if you're new around here? Just remember to like, comment and share, subscribe to the TV, you see it? You can follow it Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV, you see me? Yeah man, but Queenie they are born a fire, serious fire upon TikTok this today. You see me? So we have that video forwarding up, you see me? So we are going to see it right now. Yeah man, so just go and like up a video them and just go and share them out and just go and drop on a comment them, you see me? But we don't think Queenie really not about do it or what.
Come at Jamaica and RT, but because him could have come at Jamaica and come to me. Then when him come now and things still get out and him just run back left me. You understand what happened? So through me now I'm not Canada visa, but I run again back to him like I'm gonna come back to me. You understand? That's why I need to you. So RT, I'm glad do a runway. Because the runway I'm running me, I have to accept it whether me like it, yes or no. Me not gonna have a man in here for 7 months and so long I make plans for him. I can't do that. You understand the levels that we're going now? So me runway, but me running to one country where him could have come. So I'm running come here. So when him say things really not work, cause him know that things not work, him just run left my dirty blood clot. What you not understand?
I really understand every fucking thing. There's nothing I don't understand.
So now, whether I want to accept it and I accept it and straighten up myself and learn to cope without a husband. You understand what happened? So now I reach that place, RT, I now set up myself for fail and have expectation and say, boy, I'm back my husband and my husband I come back to me. No, RT, me just glad me get out of the RT, you even like no.
When you realize he's not an husband, when you realize that he's not truly the husband, you material wise, like, because you find that long time, even when he's done in Jamaica, but it doesn't matter to you.
What no matter to me?
When you find out that the behavior of him is not husband-wise to you as a lady who want the marriage.
RT matter, but he was with me. So the fact that he was with me just have to try work on my relationship. And that's the thing with me, RT. I'm married for better and for worse. So when all of the disrespect I come through, me still I try RT. Because I mean I'm a present. When him come out I'm a present, I see the disrespect. I just keep back so I stop my breath and say, Jesus Christ, God, I let him say. You understand the levels, RT? If we did the right, that's how I could have drive, go see him, I would have gone. I said, Dewey, what kind of thing that you do? Do we this, that, turn that? But the fact that he run away and still a disrespect me, I have to grab myself, RT, and stay in one corner.
I want to say for you, but you don't have to answer. Ready?
Yeah.
How often in a fight, not argue?
Not often. We don't really fight. No. I wouldn't have no great fight. Not often. Me and him the 3 years, we married last 2.5 years. Mother said 10 times we fight out of that.
And how long you guys are totally together?
3 years. So I spent 3 years with him and 2.5 years out of marriage. Out of that 3 years out of relationship, we might fight 10 times if I so much. And not a great fight either. It's more like a 1 lick or a 2 lick. I'm more loud. I'm like licking a RT. But I don't know. Enough that not enough. How the blood clot? Yeah, so me have one man made him fight 10 times for the blood clot. There was.
That's true, yeah. I bet you. When you look at it, bet you, Queenie, you don't know. Now some people them fight 10 times.
Listen to your friend. You see the power with me as a woman. Me love a man when he was. I gotta take him out of my life. I shoot him and kill him. Me I was fight. Me not exaggerate, you know. Me I was fight 10, 15 times for one night, one day. No joke. I mean every blood clot week. RT, you know jealous? What's the jail? If you talk to man, me jealous. If you talk to woman, you girl me will kill you. That's how you call fight. Me and my husband no fight after. Already beat me up January last year, right at my mother gate. When do we told me? I just turn up and take the thumb up in the RT because I can't believe so the man that told me up in front of me, pin them, I'm a beer father and my mother, everybody, you know. All the way I live family life, you know. And I'm a little grandbaby, ES, you see right there, so. ES, I do a best friend. And ES come and say, Mommy, go help grandma. But take the RT, where you gone? But take the thumb up that day there. Cause when I told me, I said, the fuck you told me for right out, just what me do? Yeah, the man eat blood clot, me I want to get rid of me cause him see the life out there and the girl him aunt him. So him just dump me for them. And him don't get married and sit my mother over him. Him just say, move your dirty blood clot and dump me. It's true. So I just accept my little one and say, boy, Queenie, your heartbroken, you patch it up back.
I believe a lot of people around you are supposed to be happy for you right now. You know, I want to say this. Things do happen. But only sad part about it, Queenie, you have quite a know there. Where if you didn't even meet them, such is life, you know. And everybody would do that. And I feel like you have other young man out there who if them did get you, and no matter them know understand you, them with handle the situation better.
RT, rubbish. If there wasn't a young man that get me from married to me, we can't talk about that foolishness, RT. Everybody will have a relationship, I gotta have some disagreement. It's how it will have to be, RT. Foolishness, RT. If me take a young man now, the honeymoon I gonna start for the first 8 weeks until him get used to me and me get used to him. I will understand one another. Them say see me and come live with me are two different things. We could have all a blood clot young man where every night him go skull blood clot dead dog. RT, that is rubbish. I don't live on those phrases, RT, if you said me detect somebody else. That's why I'm still and I'm married because he give me that chance to become a wife. RT, me not live on them something. If you get one man, give me now, the man not gonna play good. And the first 3 blood clot days, the man not gonna switch by me, no matter how. Because when him see my blood clot philosophy, I'm going to tell me, he said this, that, that, I'm going to tell him, said, not rat. So don't tell me fuckery, RT. Oh, no, you know how much blood clot teeth for the young man out there? At least my husband ran left gone every blood clotting. You know how much young man that steer don't want me. And still blood clot that they have teeth out my great ear them. Me rate say him run left, I'm glad him run left blood clot me. Him do me a favor. That's why me can't fight him. Him do me a big favor, RT. Trust me. And who can say that that's for them blood clot business? Do me a favor. Could have anchor. I'ma put more into him. Me and him going more to life and then just get to and disappear. Him do it the right time, fam. Leave the blood clot life alone, man. It is what it is. Leave it. Me and Dewey now gonna go back together. It gone too far way out of hand. All I am anchoring for as a wife, I just look at acknowledgement. So remember me, you still married and you married to me, you deal with me so cool like me not exist. You sell the dog, sometimes you call to the dog. Sometimes you sell the bird, you say bird. So how me feel as a human being where, you know, me don't want to go back to my husband. I'm proud of him. I want to stay one side and watch him and say, boom, but glad husband. Yeah. Me can't go back with them the drama that we do. Do we hate me? And that alone make me can't go back to do it. Me not hate do it. But me not go back. Me not go think that.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the IT journalist program interview with Queenie. I'm just kidding. Queenie, you feel better now? You're not mad with me? You feel you're not upset? You okay? You alright?
You know, I'm not mad with the RT. I'm upsetting at the moment when I express myself, but I'm not mad with you. There's a difference. I'm mad at the situation that I'm in. So regardless, I get dumped. People still are pine finger at me and say me a anchor, me a idiot when there's nothing for me to anchor to. Because the man not acknowledge me. So regardless, I'm still little. That's why I'm a coach Shelly cause me I say idiot to not take me for same way. Me never hear Shelly say, out of decency and humanity, reach out to your wife and tell her, say, that would have been more respectable and say, well, them a come tell me about Shelly them on my side. Me not want nobody on my side but God. Do you understand my ignorance towards the situation? Shimura can get a late him to stay away from me and for make him know so when something goes wrong, you can't sort it out. It's best you run. That is what Shelly tried to tell the young man, my dear. She didn't say stick a woolly pin. You married and you make. I remember married life we had talk about in the art. Remember and everything. I'm a baby mother. I'm married. So if somebody I got interview him, out of the respect of marriage, me expect you go say. Remember them friend him this way help carry me down. Expect to say, so when last you talk to Queenie, alright, if you don't remember that him say me black him and reach out to him. I think you should reach out to your wife and tell her personally. You can't come on blood clot tea time, come talk over tea and light cigarette and laugh after me. After my heart broken, so I'm take it to... No, me not take that for no invitation. Me did figure partially tea time something, you know. Carter, where Carter there? Carter did for put me upon it so much time, but me not remember a thing and me, it just not happen. Me not have nothing against Shelly, but when me hear on that type of vote for Shelly, I tell me about Shelly, me just shoot up on a blood clot and show and say, no, me not press blood clot button. Why you think me done Shelly? Me not business with Shelly. She do our program. But when I not try brainwash me now, if you tell me them, if you drop back my guard, after I want to sit down and saw me suffer, I'm going to go through the pangs of hell, and I tell me, Shelly, they're on my side, and my husband, they're on wife. When I mislead me, so I just diss up the blood clot, big pussy horse. My business with Shelly. And my husband, my bill is with. Me not bad. And my husband, my business with, I don't have the guts, so him run on like a blood clot as a chicken for when me I tell him that, and can't have the decency. People you don't know when I have your name, you sit with that them alright. You see your husband. I saw the thing said if you don't like it, you don't live in denial. You don't delusional, not me. What, Mona ready? You don't get ready now, no, me I go, me I wait for we come. Hmm? Let them be there and come, and me have to go wipe off them answer before me go. Look there. Go.
No, because we don't have a bit wash.
Yes, them back. Why you waste my breadfruit, little girl? You know, with it too dry. When you put Ella, green wife. Yeah, when you put it in the microwave.
My queen.
Wow.
So you gotta go now.
I don't know nothing about it. I don't remember. Put on your sisters. Put your sisters.
My queen. So you gotta go up on the road now.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, I pin them. I go by my mom. Well,
I just want you to be very peaceful and take something for the headache and relax your mind and don't make me be an interrupt to your spirit.
Oh, you read there to interrupt to my spirit now.
With my atrocious mix-up mouth behavior.
No, it's all out there in the art. So, it's just that you highlight it, but it's not cast by you. And my milestone, you understand me? And my journey and my fears, and me have to conquer my fears, and that's my fears the more I conquer, and I will conquer it.
May your day filled with love and peace and prosperity and happiness.
Please protect your ethic. Please protect your emotion, Queenie. Thank you.
Please protect the vibrator.
Please, what vibrator, Archie? Leave me alone. Please protect my emotion of that man. I don't. Stand firm. Thank you. Fuck asset. Material things come and go.
When by fuck asset. Somebody say secure your asset. Maybe they might try to tell you, you know.
You know, nobody tell me blood clot, no. Nobody tell me what I want in a life or what I do. Me never ask them no question. Me no pitney. Me no want nobody come rule me and then tomorrow morning them say them they tell me when I come kiss out my blood clot, kiss out. Me no want no advice from blood clot to them. Me have me intelligent blood clot pity them and any decision we make. We no go. I got secure phone a blood clot. I said, me ask no too enough. Blood clot and I said, me have no blood clot asset for protect. Bumbo clot. Move on a dirty blood clot. We look like fool to blood clot. And then come and tell me about Auntie Shelly I stand by and I defend you when Auntie Shelly run there tell me for blood clot from. And I come down. Me no want you not from no dirty blood asset for no select. I'm myself, I'm a blood clot asset. I'm myself, me secure. My emotion, I'm a fucking feelings. Fucking on a dirty blood clot asset.
I get school over where you say
Well, you with your hypocrite self, RT boss. Material things come and go. Don't mind your hypocrite friend, them RT. No move on a blood clot. You don't afraid about.
How me get involved in this?
I said, nobody not tell me blood clot. None. When I go to school, I learn what I want to learn. I'm taking what I want to take. I never ask for no blood clot advice. On the source, I want to build me, I make me be who me is fucking is. I me want marriage. I me want be famous. I me want what I want for life. I read. Move on a blood clot and not tell me no. I'm not asking for no advice. Move on.
Hey.
But protect. I said, couldn't do enough. Move. Another day, I'm going to report me to the Jamaican government. I'm going to report me to the English government. No, I'm not tell me about I said, I'm not think I have enough for everybody and tell me what I'm going to do. Move on a dirty blood clot. I don't want to hear none from you.
Queenie, I will be there soon. Enjoy your day.
Tomorrow, you're going to do the match or I cancel it?
No, we have to do the match. Of course, we have to do the match. Everybody know we have the match tomorrow. You post it, you even know them know now. Tomorrow, we have a match. Valentine.
Always doing this what? Me not coming on and telling the one for safe, I want for sure. Not too blood clot enough. Me I idiot? I want to tell me for go buy a bedroom set of furniture and a low blood clot. Me I stop bad mind for me think that I stop fret over my blood clot think them on the way. Me no want no opinion or no advice. Me no blood clot idiot to no way. I own a blood clot either to go find one blood clot house and furniture out. I'm proud of the blood clot if I leave me alone. What the fuck do you know? Every minute you not tell me like me I eat it. On the move on a dirty blood clot and stop fret about my sweat. On the too mischievous and I go like could not do me good. And then on the screen, see if they're play football.
Hey,
You go bed, baby. Then on the screen, she go, Queenie buy house at Jamaica and she get pan benefit. Then on the same man come, Queenie protect on the asset and the same one want blood clot distract the asset. Me no want no advice from none of blood clot on the family. They sent my son and suffer to bad blood clot poor. Me know what I want. Move on a dirty blood clot and go like that. When I go look for blood clot anti-chili and make up on a hypocritical blood clot on the where? Fucking hypocrite. No can't chat to me about my life. No when me save $1 for when me spend $1 for when me buy fuck with my one. What the blood clot in the song I tell mama for do with my blood clot money. No when me tired I'm going to blood clot party for go sing. Or me I shot a breath and me knee hurt me. Move on a blood clot and I tell big man if you don't stink a blood clot. No. Some man don't even have a blood clot cardboard for sleep and I don't come addicted. Me no want to know no advice. No where?
blood clot.
Make me fuck up my own as blood clot self. Then I go come back and say, I'm a royal crazy them. They tell me to do this. None of blood clot on the can't tell me. Go me the way you're not afraid.
I just love doing that part.
You know, say it's that therapy, RT.
I love it.
You release it, you release it.
I learned something. I love it. It's just really releasing for you, got to.
But RT,
you know, when a bag of nice, if you try it for you, don't honest the people, when they try it, it release stress. When they scream out, yeah man, it release a lot of stress. Feel free. Anyway, thank you very much. Queenie, we wrap up. Have a good day. Enjoy your evening. Gone now. May I find something to do? End my day with me finish my work. Pick up on yourself. Blessing and peace out.
Bye. Thank you.
All right, pick up everybody. Bye.
Bye, Archie. Archie, remember the match tomorrow.
Yes, everybody tomorrow match. What time? Oh, 9. Tomorrow me and Queenie are match. We're going to match and ask questions and we're going to chat. So we're doing a little Valentine match. All right, we're ready. Make sure to come on the red clothes. Come on.
And I must dress up for the match.
No.
Oh, God. I need to stop because my hurt me, you know. I love how I stay. I make no blood clot, but they bully me. Go ahead. Stop bullying me, man. Go ahead, leave me the fuck alone. Everybody want to tell me for me. I want to tell myself for me for do. That's make me feel like a queen. I make me hold this job. Moving a blood clot. Man, I yes button. We love you, queen. I love you too. Mind your pressure. I always have pressure. Don't mind the stupid pressure. I pressure myself. But if you're there, if I'm sending you a request, can you come talk to me? Riley, yes, and get ready, please. Eh? Yeah, I think so. She said, I'm not for come so early, so I time now. Because I leave out earlier. Yeah, man, I'm a mosquito now, so I fly. It's a fucking mosquito. Yeah. Look like there's something make him slow down. All who love me tell me nice. Now, if it there.